Nearly 70 are under winter alerts as a powerful storm brings snow, ice, and blizzard conditions, with winds up to 50 miles per hour. Parts of Kansas and Missouri, including Kansas City, face blizzard warnings with 14 inches of snow and near-zero visibility. The storm stretches from the Central Plains to the Mid-Atlantic, bringing dangerous travel and potential power outages. NOAA warns of the heaviest snowfall in over a decade in some areas. By Sunday, icy conditions will spread to the Mississippi Valley, Midwest, Ohio Valley, and East Coast. Ice storm warnings cover southern Illinois, Kentucky, and Missouri, where travel is strongly discouraged. Up to 0.75 inch of ice may cause widespread power outages and hazardous roads. Governors in Kentucky, Virginia, Arkansas, and Missouri declared emergencies, urging caution as extreme cold follows. Virginia's governor advised travelers to leave early, warning of major disruptions. Prepare now, delay travel, expect power outages, and stay safe.